Hi, my name is John Grunseich, and today I'll be presenting a poster entitled Timing is Everything. Root-feeding herbivore overcomes biological control by reducing recruitment of entomopathogenic nematodes with sustained herbivory. So the study system I used for this study included the striped cucumber beetle, Echolima vittatum, which is an important agronomic pest of cucurbits. I used entomopathogenic nematodes, specifically Heterorhabditis bacteriophora, as a natural enemy, and the plant cucumber, Cucumis sativus. Today I'm going to be talking about how root volatiles mediate these interactions, and to study these, I set three main objectives. The first was to characterize volatiles released by cucumber roots fed on by the cucumber beetle larvae at 24 hours and 7 days. The second objective was to measure EPN attraction to the cucumber roots with and without larvae feeding damage. And the third was to determine how the change of root volatiles over time influenced EPN foraging. To accomplish this, for my first experiment, I measured the root VOC collections from damaged and undamaged plants over 24 hours and 7 days of herbivory and compared that to an undamaged as well as a mechanically damaged roots. And my results for that, found in Figure 1, are displayed as an NMDS plot after 24 hours and a 7-day NMDS plot, and this shows the multidimensional data. And as you can see in red, mechanical damage and dark gray herbivore damage volatile blends are different from undamaged controls. Whereas after 7 days of feeding, undamaged controls and herbivore damage are similar, while mechanically damaged roots are still different from the undamaged control. This can also be seen in the individual compounds we identified that were showing initial induction after 24 hours and both the mechanical damage and larvae damage. But after 7 days, we found a suppression in herbivore damage, volatile induction, while mechanically damaged was still different. So we were interested in how this volatile difference impacted natural enemy foraging. So we looked at, for our second experiment, we looked at EPN choice tests versus damaged and undamaged roots. And what we found was that a temporal context, which is important for the biological control of these striped cucumber beetles and highlights the importance of timing when it comes to application of nematodes. So for conclusion, we'd like to highlight potential challenges for biological control, this suppression of volatiles, but we also identified potential volatile chemical attractants that can be potentially might be used for synthetic lures to enhance EPN biological control. And we emphasize the overall importance of the timing of introduction of application of nematodes in regards to insect herbivory. Thank you for your time.